Now, the Jamaica Scorpions are on the verge of defeat against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes in their opening game of the Cricket West Indies Regional Super 50 Cup at the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in Antigua. Set at 271 runs to win, Brandon King 32 and Jermaine Blackwood 31 gave the Scorpions a decent start after putting on 54 runs for the first wicket. However, the batting fell away thereafter before the team reached 197 for 9 at sports time. Nkrumah Bonner is the top scorer so far with 44, as Kofi James has so far claimed 4 wickets. Now, early electing to bat, the Hurricanes were given a good start as Devon Thomas, 38, and Ross Powell, 27, added 61 runs for the first wicket. But the Scorpion bowlers struck back in a spell where they claimed 5 wickets for just 15 runs, with fast bowler Odean Smith spearheading the fight back with 3 wickets. However, the game took another turn when Rakeem Cornwall and Terence Ward added 120 runs for the 6th wicket. Cornwall was the backbone of the Hurricanes' innings as he struck 7 fours and 5 sixes in a 72-ball top score of 81. From there, Ward 32, Hayden Walsh 31 and James 25 not out carried the Hurricanes to 270 for 9. Smith ended with 4 for 46, while Markina Mindley had 2 for 62.